शेयर भी कर सकते हैं अपने चैनल पे। आप लोगों में से चैनल किस किस ने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया?
मैंने।
ओके बेटा, सो डायरेक्शंस की हम बात कर रहे हैं कि डायरेक्शन इज समथिंग दैट दीज आर द डिफरेंट इंस्ट्रक्शंस दैट वी गिव टू अचीव एनी टास्क, टू perform any goal, to perform any problem or solve any problem. So right now, for example, you need to make a cup of tea, and for this you need to do different sort of steps, different sort of procedures. So first you need to do something, and then after secondly you need to do some more thing, and thirdly you need to do some other thing, and then at the last you get the output or you get the desired result. So here we use for the instructions a preposition like firstly, secondly, thirdly, and finally. As you can see here, it is possible to list the link instructions using ly, I mean ली, adverbs with the ordinal numbers. For example, firstly, secondly, and thirdly. जब भी हम instructions देते हैं तो हमें इस तरह की adverbs को use करना पड़ता है. Firstly, put dry ingredients to the pan. For example, you are going to make something. You are going to make a cup of tea. So firstly, put the dry ingredients into the pan. Secondly, add the water or milk. अब सेकंड पर आपको क्या काम करना पड़ेगा? आपको पानी या फिर दूध आपको उसमें मिलाना पड़ेगा. Thirdly, put pan into the bread maker, and finally select the right program and press start button. Right, beta? So these are the different steps कि आप किस तरह से cup of tea बना सकते हैं. For example, if I say you, so firstly take a glass of water or 2 cup of water in your pan, and then start your stove and keep this pan on the stove. Secondly, add some milk in the water, and thirdly, add some tea leaves, and then after you need to process it, you need to make it, and finally after some time, after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes, you get a cup of tea. So that is your result. Note that the final instruction, rather than being from a number of usually finally or lastly, जो आखिर में हमें चीज मिल जाती है तो हम उसको अक्सर फाइनली की हम के थ्रू हम बता रहे होते हैं या फिर लास्टली के थ्रू बता रहे होते हैं कि फाइनली आपको ये रिजल्ट मिल जाता है या फिर लास्टली आपको ये रिजल्ट मिल जाता है. सो हियर वी सी सम लिंकिंग वर्ड्स जो हम यूज करते हैं बिगिनिंग में. फॉर एग्जांपल, द फर्स्ट थिंग टू डू इज, for making a cup of tea, for the first thing you need to do is take some water in the pan. Or we can say to begin with making a cup of tea, or to start with making a cup of tea, or first you need to do this thing. So this is the way we begin something, so to give some instructions. Then continuing, अब continue करने के लिए आपके पास different prepositions हैं, different adverbs हैं जो हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, conjunctions हैं. For example, and, as I said you, you put some water into the pan and keep it on the stove, right? So it means and is the connector which connects two different sentences with two different commands, two different instructions. The second continuing word is then, and then, next, after this, following this, when this thing is done, then you need to do this thing. Once you do this, then what you need to do, while you finish it, while you completing it, while you're doing this, what else can be there. तो यहाँ पर जब हम इनकी बात करेंगे when की, once की और while की, तो उसके साथ आपके पास verb में कुछ imperative form आपकी इस्तेमाल होगी ना, कि कुछ और काम आप उसको करने के लिए बताएंगे. और आखिर में जब आप उसके बताने जाएंगे कि इंस्ट्रक्शन में कि लास्टली, फाइनली या फिर टू फिनिश इट किस तरह से. For example, if I ask you, okay, sir, how can I be a good presenter, right? So what you will say me, okay, sir, firstly, you need to make your mind that you want to be a good presenter. Secondly, you need to collect data for the presentation topic. Thirdly, you need to make some slides, make some a package of good slides. And lastly, you will you will try to present your presentation, and in this way at the end you will become a good presenter. So this is some instruction. अगर आप उस instruction को follow करते हैं तो आप कोई भी task या वो presentation वो properly आप देने के काबिल बन जाते हैं. So these are the different things, these are the different instructions जिनको हम अब इस्तेमाल करेंगे. हम different situations लेंगे और उस पर फिर आप instructions खुद बैठ के बनाएंगे अभी. So is it clear to you? Girls and boys, right? What from boys, Nawaz? Okay, let's suppose now I tell you okay, how to draw a chart, or something else we can do. We can say how to get admission in a college, for example, right? So now you have to write down some instructions. That firstly, what I need to do, firstly you need to get prospectus or admission form from the college. Second, what I need to do. Third, what I need to do, and at the end I will get the admission. So this is your task now. How do I get admission in the college? How can I get admission in the college? अब उसके लिए आप क्या मुझे इंस्ट्रक्शंस देंगे जल्दी से? आई एम गिविंग यू 5 मिनट्स, और अपनी कॉपी में आप उसको लिखें, जल्दी से इसकी इंस्ट्रक्शंस लिखें, शुरू करें। इन इंस्ट्रक्शंस को, इनके इन लिंकिंग वर्ड्स को देखते हुए बेटा। The example is also given here in your screen, you can see there, और जल्दी से मुझे लिखकर दिखाएं आप। Raise hand if somebody has done.
सर स्क्रीन सही शो नहीं हो रही।
स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रही? Two more people are betting here. Tartila and Fida, they were signed out, I guess.